Now when we take from here by the concept of quadratic equation, suppose it is alpha beta, this is alpha gamma, then as we know y square minus sum of the roots, and this is the product of the roots. So here the two roots are alpha, this is beta, so alpha plus beta is given minus 28, and alpha into beta here u cube into v cube. So this is the values 27 and their values is minus 20. So finally we get plus 28, 27. So when we factorize them, finally we get y minus 1 and y minus 27. So v cube will be minus 27 because y is nothing but it is u cube. Their first root is u cube and the second root is v cube. To see u cube will be minus 1 and v cube will be minus 27. So we get u cube and v cube. Now if we set u cube plus 1 cube 0, so a cube plus b cube by algebraic formula a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 0. So u will be minus 1 and here it is again quadratic. So when we solve here, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, we get here this much minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, and in complex number, as we know, this is the definition for omega as a symbol, and there is the values for omega square. That is, when we square these values, finally we get that. So this is the omega square. So the three roots for u, and similarly by solving v, we get another three values for that much, minus 3 plus 3u and 3 omega square. Now as we know, x is equal to u plus v is the solution, so there will be 3 their roots and 3 their roots will be 9 roots. First, this is the second root, third root. Now if we take in omega, then omega minus 3, omega plus 3 omega, and omega plus 3 omega square, 6 roots, omega square minus 3, 7th, omega square plus 3 omega, 8th, and omega square plus 3 omega square will be 9th. So minus 4, this is the 9 roots. Now in the 9 roots only 3 will satisfy the equations ub is equal to 3. This is the main topic. ub is equal to 3, that means here when u and v will satisfy these equations, then we say that these three will be the required solution. So here when we take u minus 1 v minus 3, multiplication will be 3, u omega v 3 omega square, their multiplication again 3, as omega square will be omega cube, and omega cube, that is cube root, always 1. Here also omega square omega will be 1, and this is the 3. So first root, this is the second root, this is the third root. So minus 4, solve that much, and omega square plus 3 omega. So finally we get minus 4 minus 2 minus I root 3 minus 2 plus I root 3. That these three will be the solutions for the given equations as discussed in starting. This is the questions, and their three roots will I have discussed in here. This is the three roots, minus 4, minus 2 minus I root 3, minus 2 plus I root 3. So this is the concept for finding the roots by method of Cardans, the main important topic.